Our latest lights-out classic is the sweet 54 F100 Restomod, a timeless hot rod that, thanks to its Fat Man chassis, modern air conditioning, and proven LS1 drivetrain, cruises the blacktop like a champ. This super cool pickup combines the standout attributes of old-school Ford steel with choice customization that's so well integrated you'd swear it rolled right off the assembly line. The truck's straight fuselage mirrors a sophisticated coat of BMW space gray metallic, and those excellent reflections trace flat surfaces to suggest many labor-intensive hours were spent exacting top-notch finish work. Inside, you'll reveal a tasteful custom cockpit. Plush red leather covers a custom bench seat that's been both sectioned and narrowed. A custom dash hangs Dakota Digital gauges beside vintage air conditioning, a custom cup holder, and modern audio. Clean carpet frames a retro Lokar shifter between a Lokar handbrake and monochromatic pedals, and a hot rod steering wheel laps a modern tilting column. Lift the hood and you'll find a healthy fuel-injected LS1 that's rated for 326 horsepower. That all-aluminum small block sends power through a 4L60E, back to a Ford 9-inch with 373 gears. Easy to cruise and fun to look at, this awesome Ford should make every enthusiast smile. It backs modern performance with a solid restoration that's ready to blister the blacktop and stop the show. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.